Guys, how you all doing? Hope you guys are doing great. As for me, I'm fine. If this is your first time of stopping by on my channel, my name is Etiosa and you are highly welcome. You can support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you will be notified each time I will be uploading a new video. So guys, in today's video I want to show you guys how to make stretch mark cream. Most of you have been telling me on the comment section that I should show you all how to make stretch mark cream. This is my python oil. I really want to talk to you guys concerning this python oil. Python oil is something that is really difficult to get. You might not be able to get it. Maybe you might be able to get it, but if you can go to any of these organic store where they sell organic materials, all the skincare material and all of that, you will be able to find this python oil, and it's very cheap, very affordable. So in case you are just too lazy to make this stretch mark oil that I'm about to show you, you can use this python oil. Though the smell is really bad, like I'm not a fan of the smell. The smell is so bad, like it's so bad, and I don't like it. But if you can endure the smell, you can be able to take it, fine. Just get this python oil. If you cannot get the rest of the ingredients, get this python oil and use it to massage the area where you have stretch mark. It's going to help reduce the appearance of your stretch mark, guys. I'm telling you guys this because I have stretch mark myself. I'm not gonna lie, I have stretch mark around my hip side due to some of the creams I've used in the past. But this python oil has been the thing that has really helped me. That's been helping me for a very long time, and it's very good. If you have scars on your body, you can actually use this python oil. It's going to eliminate scars. Just use it to massage your stretch mark. I promise you guys, it's going to help reduce the appearance of a stretch mark. So second thing that I will be introducing to you guys is shea butter. Shea butter is really good in terms of treating stretch mark and some other skin damages and all of that. So you can actually get shea butter, mix it with your vitamin E oil, and just use it on your stretch mark. It's going to help. Put this in back of your mind that stretch mark is not something that goes off easily. You have to be patient with your stretch mark, and also you have to be consistent with whatever that you're using that you are sure of that is going to work for you. But shea butter is really good in terms of taking care of stretch mark, because I've seen a lot of people using shea butter on their stretch mark. And as well, if whatever cream they want to make in terms of getting rid of stretch mark or any stretch mark cream, they intend to add shea butter, because shea butter is going to help moisturize that area where you have the stretch mark, and also is going to help you get rid of that. And another recommendation that I will give you guys that will also help you guys to take care of your stretch mark is bio oil. Bio oil is really good in terms of treating stretch mark. First thing I will want you guys to do in using all of these treatments is, first, you have to make sure that you scrub the area where you have your stretch mark. Scrubbing it doesn't mean that you should peel your skin, no. So just get it doesn't matter what kind of scrub, or it doesn't really matter, just get a very good exfoliant. Use it to scrub the part where you have stretch mark gently. Don't over scrub it, just scrub it gently, and then when you are done, you can easily apply all your creams. So without further ado, let me go to the video and show you all how to make the stretch mark cream. Very cheap and very effective.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to make stretch mark cream. This stretch mark cream, guys, is very effective and is very rich. So first ingredients we'll be needing is our Shalom stretch mark oil. Then we'll make use of vitamin E oil, we'll make use of tea tree essential oil, and then we'll be making use of python oil. If you don't have python oil, it's fine, the rest of the ingredient can work, just that python oil really helps in scars and stretch mark as well. Then we'll make use of organic shea butter. First, I have to make sure in 3 tablespoons of my shea butter. So guys, make sure you get a very pure shea butter, like 100% organic shea butter. That is very, very important, guys. So I'm measuring in 3 tablespoons of my shea butter. So that's 3 tablespoons of my shea butter. And the next thing I'm going to be adding in is my python oil. Then I'm going to make use of 2 tablespoons of my python oil. So I got this python oil in one of these organic store here in Lagos at Ojota. If you guys are familiar with Ojota, I don't know, but I got this python oil for about 500 naira. So cheap. And guys, python oil is very, very good for scars and stretch mark. So that's one of the reasons why I'm using python oil. Then we'll be adding a shalom stretch mark oil. We'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of shalom stretch mark oil. I got all these ingredients at the same place I got the organic what's it got the same place I got the python oil. And now we're going to add in half teaspoon of vitamin E oil. And then we go in with our tea tree essential oil. So I'm going to be making use of half teaspoon of my tea tree essential oil. And then we mix. So I'm going to mix this properly. I'm going to make sure that everything cooperates and blend very, very well. Please guys, I have seen people double boiling python oil. If you can get this python oil, or you've been able to get the python oil, please don't double boil it. It's not good to use a high heat to melt python oil. All you need to do is just to place it under the sun and allow it to melt naturally. Don't force it. Just if you can get something to like break it down, pieces it, then just place it under the sun. It's going to melt naturally, and then it's ready to use. You can still use the python oil just the way it is without mixing it with any of those ingredients that I just show you guys. You can just apply it on your stretch mark like that, and it's going to help a long way. So as you guys can see, I'm mixing in all my ingredients together to make sure I get a very, very fluffy and thick consistency. So guys, this stretch mark oil is going to work for you. It's very, very effective. This is what I have been using. I've been using this for a very long time, and it's really, really working for me. And I make this for one of my clients, guys, and she really loved it, and it works for her as well. But I'm going to make something clear to you guys, that when using this stretch mark oil, if you have scrub, please scrub that part where you have the stretch mark gently. Please don't over scrub, just scrub it gently, and then you can apply this stretch mark cream. It's going to help eliminate the stretch mark, and also before 2 weeks you're going to see that the appearance of your stretch mark sorry guys, the appearance of your stretch mark is actually reducing. So as you guys can see, I'm done mixing my stretch mark cream. This is all you need to do. Very, very simple and very, very effective. Alright guys, so our stretch mark cream is ready. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this video, and as well don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I'll be uploading a new video. Thank you guys, bye.